In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a thread on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to create a thread on X and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started with the steps to create a thread on X. Access your X account, whether on desktop or mobile. Suppose you have a lengthy message that exceeds the character limit. Begin by writing your initial tweet as you normally would. When you reach the character limit, an indication will show that you've crossed the boundary. To turn this into a thread, find the place where your tweet gets cut off due to the character limit. Copy the excess text beyond the limit and cut it. Click on the symbol that signifies an addition to continue the thread and paste the cut text into the new tweet. Repeat this process until your entire message is divided into separate tweets. Once you've completed the thread, click on Tweet All or a similar option to post the thread. Your tweets will be displayed one after another, creating a connected thread for your followers to read through. Whether you're using X on a desktop or a mobile device, the steps remain quite similar. Identify the text exceeding the limit, segment it, and continue the thread by pasting the cut content into additional tweets. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.